Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abs. 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 Abs is an abbreviation for abdominals or abdominal muscles. It refers to the group of muscles located in the abdomen or belly area. These muscles play a crucial role in core stability and are often a focus in fitness and exercise routines. Here are some examples. Example number 1. She does daily exercises to strengthen her abs and improve her core strength. Why abs use in example number 1? In this example, abs is used to refer to the abdominal muscles. Example number 2. His workout routine includes sit-ups and planks to target his abs. Why abs use in example number 2? Abs is used to describe the specific muscles being targeted during sit-ups and planks, highlighting their role in these exercises. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.